Hey guys, it's Perry here and I'm back with another unboxing video. Today I'm going to be unboxing a super cute product. This is going to be the Boss Lady mug brought to you by Run Run Deals. And if you didn't already know this, Run Run Deals has a super amazing app, and if you download it, you can get access to a lot of really awesome offers on products, a lot like the one that we're going to open up right now. So let's check it out. Oh my goodness, it's so cute. It says Sweet Gift, Hello Beautiful World. So that is the brand, Sweet Gift, Hello Beautiful World. How cute is this gift bag, guys? It's like pink marble, obsessed. And the box too, Sweet Gift, Hello Beautiful World. You can definitely use this box to either gift the original or re-gift. How adorable is that? You guys, I am actually obsessed with this. I know I said you could gift it to someone, but it's so cute that I'm just gonna be using it for myself. And how cute is the matching cup holder? I am definitely gonna be ordering these as a gift for my girlfriends or my aunts or my grandma. So cute, guys. Make sure and get yours from Run Run Deals. This is adorable.